All right, guys. So this thing has some wiring problems. This is the fuel solenoid right here, and how I got it running is they had this, which comes straight off the starter. Hold on a second, let me flip the camera. All right, guys. So this is I guess day one of actually working on the Bobcat. So as you can see, they got some speaker wire here, which I put this in because originally I tested this and it was not hot when the battery was or when the key was off, but after I started it up it is hot. But this is the wires that they had, which it was up against the exhaust, so it's melted through in a couple spots. And yeah, this is speaker wire, in case you didn't realize that. But then it runs up here into the cab to a switch. But the issue I'm having is it seems like every wire I find is hot. Like these right here go to the lights in the back, but every single wire in here is hot. Every single one. This one, hot. Those over there, hot. That there, that fuse, I tested it, it's not hot for some reason. This plug back here wasn't plugged in, and it was only getting like 3 volts, so I'm not really sure what's going on with that. So I decided to pull the dash out, and it kind of seems like, because from what it appears is this wire right here on top, that one is the always hot, and this orange one is once the key's in the run position hot. And if you look here, orange wire is tied to something else. So I think that might be where my underlying issue is, but I got to cut more of this off in order to find out, and then maybe I'll be able to actually turn it off with the key. So these are the wires that come out of the cab, not this one, the one behind it, that one. Those are the wires that come out of the cab. Nothing appears to be changed here. These are all appear to be factory clips. This is the Bobcat, whatever system it is. But then down here, I see a zip tie and some wires, and if I wiggle it, well, I was doing it a second ago. See? So this might be where something is that I need to take apart. So let's open that up and see what it's got. Well, as of now, it does appear to be nothing. It comes and goes with the noise, not all the time. It's not doing it now. Some of these connectors were loose, plugged them in, but then I unplugged them, jiggled them, nothing. And then the wire harness goes back here under the block.